So how should I do question number 1, Mr. Sarthak?
So this will be equal to 9 into 5h raised to the power 9 into n raised to the power 2. So we can do 9 into 5, so 45h raised to the power 9 n raised to the power 2.
Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Have you understood the logic?
Yes, sir.
Okay, try this, Sarthak.
So it will be 2c raised to the power minus 4 into 8r raised to the power minus 1. So we can multiply 8 and 2. So 16c raised to the power minus 4, r raised to the power minus 1.
Satya, any doubt?
No.
Okay. Satya, how should I solve this?
So 4h raised to power 4 into 5 d raised to power 3 into 5. So the answer would be 4h raised to power 20 and d raised to power 15.
Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So you can leave this as a final answer because this calculating this is a bit of a headache. Are you getting it, Sarthak?
Yes, sir.
Usually in your exam you will get something like 4 square or maybe 3 raised to power 4. So these are easily calculable. You can calculate these easily. Mr. Satya, 6th question.
3h raised to power 2 into 3. So the answer would be 3h raised to power 6. Sorry, 3 raised to power 1, h raised to power 6.
Arey Dada, this 3 will get multiplied with this 3 also.
Okay.
Sir, please try to understand. I have this, you can write this as 3 as you can write it like this. Yeah. Now this 3 will multiply by this 1. This 3 will also get multiplied by this 2. So this will be equal to 3 cube into h square. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No.
Mr. Sarthak?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
How should I do this, Mr. Satya?
3 raised to power 3 and y raised to power 6 and multiplied by y raised to power 3. The y's will get together. So the answer would be 3 raised to power 3 into y raised to power 9.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, how should I solve this?
it will become 8 upon 7 k raised to the power 2 g raised to the power 4.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No.
Mr. Sarthak, question number 8.
So, what did you say? I didn't hear you. Your voice was cut.
See, how you can do this question is, please try to understand. This is a bracket. This is 2 raised to power 1. Have you understood? Like for multiplication, this 3 will get multiplied by this 2 and this 3 will get multiplied by this 1. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So for example, in this case, when we were doing multiplication, what did we do? Try to understand the logic. This 3 had got multiplied by this 1. This 3 got multiplied by 2. This 3 got multiplied by 1. And you got 3 raised to power 3, y raised to power, 3 raised to power 3, y raised to power 6, and y cube. The same logic is followed in these questions also. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So let us try to understand this again, because see, that is why we are doing a lot of practice for exponents, because it is a confusing topic. Please try to understand this again. This is a bracket. This whole is a bracket. This is 2 raised to power 1. This 3 will get multiplied by this as well as this. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No.
So Sarthak, what should I write? 2 raised to power?
2 raised to the power 3.
Sorry?
2 raised to the power 6 upon 2 raised to the power 3.
This will be equal to?
2 raised to the power 3.
Which will be equal to?
8.
Satya, any doubt?
No.
Okay, Sarthak, try this. Question number 5.
So it will be 3 into all the indexes. So C raised to the power 3, k raised to the power 3 upon 9 raised to the power 3, c raised to the power 9, and k raised to the power 15. So the answer will be minus 9.
Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, any doubt? Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Sarthak, you can write the answer like this also. No need of writing like this. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
And the final answer, you can write it as 729 C raised to power minus 6 and K raised to power minus 12. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So these are a bit complicated questions that we have done. But the more practice that you do in exponents, the easier algebra will become for you. Otherwise, algebra will become one big headache. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.